Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily connect the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro to a Nintendo Switch. So first, what we need to do is enter the system settings, as you guys can see here. Now let's go to Bluetooth audio, and here we need to click on Add Device. So now let's take our Xiaomi Buds Pro, open them, and here hold this button until the light here goes white and flashing. So now let's stop holding and the device should appear right here. So this is not this one. Let me find the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. And now they are here. So let me click OK. As you guys can see, now it's connecting to the Bluetooth audio, and now they're connected. So as you guys can see, that worked. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.